Welcome back, children. Yes, today we'll continue that lesson, that is time. Yes, in before class you already learned how to convert a 24-hour clock to 12-hour clock. Yes, so how we will be finding anti-meridian and also post-meridian. So at what is the meaning of anti-meridian and also what is the meaning of post-meridian. So these all will be learned in before classes. Yes, so in today's class we will learn that to approximate the period of familiar events, to approximate the period of familiar events. Yes, so in our day-to-day life, we were involved in many activities. Yes, so many activities we will be involved. So some of the activities will done in less time, and some of the activities it takes a time more. So it may be a minutes, it may be hour, or it may be a days, and also it may be it takes a time to month. Yes, so it can be taken completed, that work should be completing, it take a time a long period. Yes, so like that of the same timetables, so it means that of the activities now we will be what according we will be list of those activities. So first one, the following activities, that is first one, the following activities are done in seconds. So which are the activities we will done in seconds? So yes, tell me, which are the activities we will done in seconds? So activities like we will be just seconds, we will take a high jump, long jump. Yes, those activities we will be take it, that's those all takes a time, how much within a seconds they will jump. Yes, okay. So and also you know that is the our heartbeat also, how it can be, what it is beating. So it's also taken a time within seconds. So and the first example they can given here, blinking of eye lashes. See how we will be blinking. So within a second the our eyes will blinking. Yes. So these all are the activities for what time? Within a second. Okay. Next one they can given here, the following activities. The following activities are done in minutes. So minutes, what are the activities? What are the activities will done in minutes? So for example, heating a milk. Yes, so it take a times heating a milk, and some of the food items it takes a time to do minutes, and boiling water. Yes, and running 100-meter running, it takes a minutes. Yes, so then also going to school by bus or as on cycle, so it takes a time, or it's near to your house, so it take a times by walk, it is also take a times what in a minute. Yes, so these all are the activities we done in a minutes. Okay, next one, the following activities activities are done in our 1 hour activities. Which are the activities we will do? For example, whatever the function is there in my house, it takes a time 1 hour, and it may be a 2 hours. Okay, like, and if it is there any functions in your school, that is also take a time hours. And if it is wherever we are going to outside, so we want to make a food, prepare a food, so many dishes we will be make a food, it takes a time hours. Okay, and also conducting classes, if maybe it takes a 1 hour. Yes, so it is also conducting the classes, that is also take a time 1 hour. So and wherever we are going from one place to other place, for example from Gadag to Hubli, so it takes a time at what, 1 hour. So 1.5 hour. Yes, so it takes a times of 1 hour. Okay, so these all are the activities, so we will done within hour or as hour. Next, the following activities are require days. Yes, which are the activities takes to a time, what, days. Yes, so for example stitching cloths, so it's a take a time. Yes, so we'll give they give us for stitching, it takes a time 2 days 3 days, like it can be taken time. Next, if we will be put it is what it is, put in the mud some of the seeds, it takes to germinate, only for germinate of seed it takes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ some days it can be taken. Okay, yes, so these are, and also asphalting tar and road it takes, so that is also times takes to a days, it may be a 1 week, it may be 3 to 4 days it takes. Okay, yes. Next one, these activities require month. These activities require months. Yes, so require months activities here, change of one season to another season, it takes some months. Yes, so it is also one of the example for what require months. And also construction of buildings construction, it takes months. Okay, and also that growing of plants, it is also takes a month. Okay, so these all are the activities, so done in what, seconds, minutes, hours, days, and another one, month. Yes, okay, so they can given here. So in our day-to-day life, time taken, some of the events can be approximated and some of the events can be told accurately. Okay, so approximate and accurate events now we will be tell. First they can given here exercise 14.3. Exercise 14.3. Yes, they can given here in the textbook. What we'll do the mark here, so mark the correct answer. So it takes a minute or hours, we will be write down here minute or right, what one, hours. Okay, first one they can given here, the time taken by you to play with your friends. Yes, so you want to play with your friends, how many times you will take to play. Yes, how many times do you take, it takes, they can given here 1 minute or 1 hour. Yes, so you will take a time hour. Yes, understood this one. Yes, next one, the time taken to say the prayer. So in your school, okay, in your school you want to morning, you will, you know that is morning you will go to the school, after you will start to a prayer. So how many times it takes to a prayer, so it's a minute or as hour, so it take 1 minute. Yes, so it takes 1 minute, not we will say the prayer in 1 hour. Yes, only minute we will say. Next one, the time required to have a breakfast in the morning breakfast. Yes, so at what time you will take a morning breakfast, 30 minutes you will take, or as 2 hours you will take. So 2 hours you will eat and sit. Yes, so you are 2 hours to taken for eating, or as taking breakfast morning? No, only will take that is 30 minutes. Understood? Okay, next one that given here, that fourth one, the time required to build a house. Yes, to build a house, how many times it will be required? It may be completed a house within a days. No, it takes some months. Yes, so we'll mark that one. Okay, yes, these all you will know that. Next one we are going that is second main. Write any 4 activities that you do daily and the time required to complete them. Yes, so daily what are the activities you will done? Any 4 activities. So and how many times you will take to complete that work? So how many times you will take to complete that work? So you will mention here. So this is your work. Okay, and the next one they can given here. Make a list of any 2 activities for which the time can be said accurate time, exact time. So which are the 2 activities you will do a exact time? Exact time, for example, so you want to eat breakfast morning, you will take 20 minutes exact, or as 15 minutes exact. Like what work you will do a exact time, accurate time. So you will be mention any 2 work. Understood? So these 2 columns are, that's yours work. Next one we are going that to calculate the time taken to complete a work or an event. Yes, so what are the, for example, one of the example they can given here. Rahul leaves his house at 7:30 a.m. and reaches his school at 9 a.m. So what is the time taken by him to reach the school? Yes, how many times to taken to reach the school? Yes, so no, we will do this. Yes, the time taken, answer I'll write here, time at which Rahul left his house. So at what time he will take? Yes, here see, the time at which Rahul left his house is 7:30 a.m. Okay, morning 7:30 a.m. The time when he reached the school, at what time? School is 9 o'clock. Yes, so 9 o'clock a.m. So the time taken to reach the school, how much time to taken to reach the school? So the time taken to reach the school, 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. minus 7:30. It means 9 o'clock to 7:30. What we will do? We will subtract 9 o'clock to 7:30 a.m. Okay. So now we will subtract here. So 9 minus 7:30. Yes, so here it consider as a 60 minutes. Okay, so here 0 means 60 minutes it can be taken here. 60 minutes next minus how much will take here? 30 minutes. This 30 minutes will be minus here. Okay, 30 minutes. How much remaining times is equal to 60 minus 30 is how much? We can get 60 minutes. First what we'll do? We'll subtract only minutes to minutes. So we'll write here 30 minutes. Okay. Next one. So we'll subtract that 8 hour minus 7 hours. So how much time to taken here? 8 hours to minus 7 hour. So it takes a time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, the time taken by Rahul to reach the school 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, yes. So here, so next one they can given here same as it is. A school was closed on October 3rd for Dasra vacation. Yes, so it was reopened on October 31st. So how many days was the midterm vacation? So we'll write down here, the school reopened on 31st October. The school was closed on 3rd October. Yes, so the period of half midterm vacation is how much days? So we'll count down from here 31st October to 3rd October to 31st October. How many days it takes? Total 27 days it takes. Okay, so like same way, some of the examples they can given here, exercise 14.4. so first one they can given here, an exhibition was arranged from 7/9/2012. Yes, 12 to 10/9/12. How many days? Was the exhibition arranged? Yes, so how many times to taken here to complete the exhibition? Yes, 7 to 10. Count down 7 to 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. It means the exhibition was arranged for 4 days. Yes, how many days? 9 month. Only dates we will be see. That is 7 to 10. How many days? 4 days it takes time. Next one, that is second one, for Ahmad's school. The holidays were announced for 14 days from 2/10/12. After the vacation on which date did the school reopen? Yes, so for Ahmad's school the holidays were announced for 14 days. Okay, from when 2/10/12, after the vacation on which date the school will reopen. So what will write here? So we count the days for 14 days from 2 to 14 days. How many days it comes here? On the date on 16/10/12 school will reopen. Understood? So from 2 to 14 days we can count. So on which date school will reopen? 16th 10 2012. Understood? Okay, see the next one. That is third one. Suresh went on a trip from his school. From at what date? 3, 10, 11 to 7, 10, 11. For how many days? For how many days? For how many days was he away from the school? Away from the school. Yes. See here, Suresh went on a trip from his school. So from 3, 10, 11 to 7, 10, 11. So how many days he is away from the school? Yes, we'll write here. Suresh went on trip. Suresh went on a trip from the school. From the school for 5 days. 5 days. Understood? So he is living. So he is away from the school. How many days? For 5 days. Okay. Next, that is fourth one. Malati attended the preparatory examination. So Malati attended preparatory examination in her school from 20 to 12 for 6 days. On which date did she complete her examination? Complete her examination. Yes. So Malati attended the preparatory examination in her school. Okay. Start from here 20 to 12 to for 6 days. Okay. On which date she did completed her examination? Yes. So Malati completes her examination on 25 to 12. So for 6 days she completed her examination. Okay, that is last one is there, that is fifth one. Fifth one, Ramu did not attend the school attend the school from 1/3/12 to 3/3/12. How many days? How many days was he absent? How many days he take to leaves? Okay, see here, Ramu was absent for 1 to 3 means how many days? For 3 days. Yes, she is taken a leave for 3 days. Understood this one? Yes, students. So this lesson is completed. I hope you understood this lesson. So tomorrow we'll start, that is a new chapter. Thank you.